All right, now we're doing 7Q Factorial. This is by WeChew, and 91% of the people like it. Our task is to write a function factorial, and here's what factorials are all about. Basically, 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and it's 120. And so we got to scroll all the way down here to figure out what we want to do. And then, here's a nice little computation section. And look, if it isn't some pseudocode using a recursion that will let us do whatever we want. So if n equals 0, we're going to return 1. And if not, we're going to return n times factorial n minus 1. I think we can do that. So let's do that. Let's go over here. And if n, that's not n, this is n, equals 0, we're going to return 1. And if not, we're going to return, what was it? Factorial, no, it was n times factorial n minus 1. All right, let's see if this works. Lo and behold. Attempt it. All right, let's see what we're doing here. 8 milliseconds. All right. And for the one-liner, we're just going to use a ternary operator, which is the only JavaScript operator that takes 3 operands, a condition followed by a question mark, then an expression to execute if the condition is truthy, followed by a colon, and finally the expression to execute if the condition is falsy. This operator is frequently used as an alternative to an if-else statement. All right, so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to change this to const, put equals here, take this out, turn all this into this. All right, and so basically we're going to say if n exists, we're going to put the factorial thing, which I already forgot what it was. N times factorial n minus 1. So n minus factorial, no, n times, is it times or minus? N times. N times factorial n minus 1. All right, and if not, so if n exists, that. If it doesn't exist, we're just going to put 1. And let's see what happens. Test it out. All right, attempt it. Let's see. 7 milliseconds versus 8. Looks like we got the winner right here. We're going to submit this. All right, very much like this. Let's go to My Solutions. Quite a few of us, well, 13 of us plus these folks. Best practice in my opinion, and we'll see you next time.